the Criminal Law Code Amendment Bill, which has been dubbed the Patriot Bill, was passed by Parliament. It amends the Criminal Law Code in a variety of respects, but the most serious is that it now creates the crime of willfully damaging the sovereignty and national interest of Zimbabwe. Clause 2 of the bill inserts a new section into the Criminal Code, creating this crime of willfully damaging the sovereignty and national interests of Zimbabwe. The crime will be committed by a citizen or permanent resident of Zimbabwe who takes an active part in a meeting involving or convened by an agent of a foreign government, including diplomats, of course, if the citizen or resident knows or has reason to believe that the object of the meeting is one of the following three things. Firstly, to consider or plan armed intervention in Zimbabwe by the foreign government, or secondly, to subvert, undermine, or overthrow the constitutional Zimbabwean government, or thirdly, to consider, implement, or extend sanctions or a trade boycott against Zimbabwe or against an individual or official. The penalties which flow from that differ according to the object of the meeting. If the object of the meeting is to plan armed intervention, that is dealt with as the same as treason, and the death sentence or imprisonment for life can be imposed.